Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel today. The Model T behind me has been quite a little project. Been a lot of fun, and it's on its. Let's see. I had the original engine in it, rusted through the water jacket completely, and a huge hole. So I put a second engine in it, which was just a running engine, but it was in pretty tired shape. And so now I have a rebuilt engine in it. But what I didn't do when I put this engine in was go ahead and put on a different oil pan. I know I took it apart and I checked this and that, but this oil pan just is not making me happy at all. There's oil leaks everywhere. And so what I am going to do is I'm going to take this engine out. I'm going to pull this oil pan off. I'll probably go in and readjust the valves while we're in there, and then I'll put the oil pan off of the actually it's the oil pan off the original engine. That will go back on here, and we'll get it all put back together. So that's the little task that lays before me. This may or may not be, it probably will be more than one part. So, but anyway, here we go. Let's have some fun.